Hello, children. Good morning to you all. This is your M.Shobha Magdalene teacher. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. So, let's start our today's session, Class-1 English Part 4. Today, let's learn grammar in Happy Birthday, Sara. That is, nouns. Nouns are the naming words. Children, have you all enjoyed Sarah's birthday party? Now tell me, who are Sarah's friends? Who are Sarah's friends? Now, children, look at the picture and tell me, who is he? Who is he? Yes, he is Aman. He is Sarah's friend. Children, now look at this picture and tell me, who is she? Who is she? Yes, she is Aisha. She is Sarah's friend. Children, now look at this picture and tell me, who is he? Who is he? Yes, he is Mihir. He is also Sarah's friend. Children, now look at this picture and tell me, who is she? Who is she? Yes, she is Sara, our friend. So, Aman, Aisha, Mihir and Sara are the names of specific people or the names of particular persons. So, all these names are nouns. Now, we have learned that a noun is a name or a noun is a naming word. Sara, Aman, Aisha and Mihir are the names of particular people. Now, let's learn some more naming words. Boy, girl, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother and sister. These nouns are referred to a person in general sense. So we have learnt all the names of people or persons are nouns. So, a noun is a name or a naming word. Now, I will give you the home assignment. The home assignment is, write your name. Write the name of your father. Write the name of your mother. Write the name of your grandfather. Write the name of your grandmother. Children, don't forget to write copywriting one page. Write copywriting one page. Stay home and stay safe. We will continue the lesson in the next class. Bye, children.